It's time to splish and to splash here at Hurricane Harbor, LA. Hey everybody, it's Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and we are here at a park we did not expect to go to today, which is Hurricane Harbor in LA, people. So it's right across from Magic Mountain, and today's goal is not to really splish and splash. I'm looking to actually do the Explorer, maybe an unplugged, do a couple of little shorts and things like that. This is our 13th park of the year, going all the way to 60. So as soon as you walk in, like right there is literally Magic Mountain. As soon as you walk in, you've got Hurricane Harbor. So kick back and relax, and we're going to go through our whole day here and show you everything you need to know about this park. Okay, so we're back at the start, but the funny thing about it is we've only been here probably about a half hour. We did a full park walkthrough, a full explore, and it only took about 20-25 minutes. I was surprised actually how small of a water park this is. And when you watch the Explorer, you're going to notice that it's kind of an alcove of Magic Mountain. It's like they kind of took a chunk out of Magic Mountain and said this is going to be where the water park is. They have a couple little marquee things. The thing in the middle there is Splash Island, which makes sense, Castaway Cove, and pretty much what it is a splash area. And of course you got over there the red one, the orange guy there is the Lightning Racer, and then over here is the Lizard Lounge. Now the one thing I thought was really cool was the fact that most of these splash into pools with the tubes and stuff like that. This one here is a trough, but the majority of them are actually pools. So I'm actually going to go do a couple shorts. I might actually do a unplugged of this just because it's such a smaller park. I might as well get as much coverage as I can. Now the one thing I thought was really interesting is the one thing about this park that I've never heard of before, so let me know if I'm unique, but notice the Lazy River. Most of the people in the Lazy River are actually walking in the Lazy River. That's because you actually have to rent the rafts here. They're $18 for a single tube, and this guy's got a double tube. That is $25 a day. So I've never seen where you just walk through a lazy river, so that was very neat to me. But yep, I'm gonna go knock out a couple more things here. So enjoy the montage. All right, so we're about halfway done with our day at Six Flags Hurricane Harbor, LA. Not very long of a day. It's probably only going to be about an hour or two to film everything that we have. But the one thing that did catch my eye is, so this is the Lazy River, and it is kind of neat though. They do have a splash zone here. Like I said before, most people are like, don't have rafts, but at least they got a little spray area here, which is kind of cool. And then you can actually exit the Lazy River and go into their center area, which is their Castaway Cove thing. So, but at least they have a splash area. And if you got this far, kick back, take a load off, and let's watch the second half of our day at Hurricane Harbor, LA. All right, so we spent about another hour here, and we did the Let's Eat. We actually did the merch. They only had one store, so really I kind of did a spotlight on their store. The neat thing about that was there wasn't really a lot of stuff that was Hurricane Harbor, LA. It was, you saw some stuff that said California, but really it's just generic Six Flags Hurricane Harbor, which I thought was kind of neat here. I also did a spotlight of Splash Island and a short of the Lazy River. So I'm going to go around one more time, see if there's anything else I should do. I like to do about 10 shorts at every place I go to, but there might not be 10 things that are really worth it. So there might be a couple spotlights which are between a minute and 5-minute videos. That's what spotlights are, focusing on one little aspect. So we might not have much more, but I figure in a half hour I'll have this completely kicked and I'm going to go back to Magic Mountain and continue my day. This was kind of an outshoot there, so it's not a full day at Hurricane Harbor, LA. It was more of a little area and stuff like that. So let's go with our next montage. All right, so we're at the Forbidden Seas, or their wave pool, but basically we are done. It is our park day, but it really was our park 2 hours and 15 minutes. We were able to knock out the Explore, we knocked out the Let's Eat, right there's a crow's nest, and we were able to knock out Merch, a couple spotlights. We actually highlighted the Forbidden Seas because it has some interesting features, and we were able to knock out some shorts. So all in all, pretty good 2.5 hours. And I'm thinking maybe on Thursday, right now it's Monday, but on Thursday I might actually come back and actually just enjoy the water park. It's something I tend not to be able to do when I'm doing these filming. But have you been to Hurricane Harbor, LA? Have you been a fan of it, or is it too small? Do you think Magic Mountain should make a bigger one? Or do you think that this is the right size for the area? Let us know in the comments section there. And once again, if you have watched our videos, make sure you like and subscribe. We are hitting 60 parks this year, and this is actually park number 13. So we have a long way to go this summer. It's only the middle of June, so we're doing pretty good. But definitely check us out. We have a lot of stuff coming up. And once again, thank you so much for watching our stuff. And enjoy it as we ride to 125.